2 of them to give out, so you definitely want to take part again.
अच्छा, मिसबा और हिरा, आपके लिए एक सवाल आया है. समद पूछ रहे हैं. समद कह रहे हैं कि he is 22 years old. He works out in the gym regularly and he studies as well. तो काफी hectic schedule है. But he's saying, how can I donate?
सिंपल है कि जस्ट गो टू अ ब्लड बैंक जहाँ के आपको लगे कि वहाँ की बहुत अच्छे से आपको कर सकते हैं, बहुत हाइजेनिक एनवायरनमेंट हो. गेट योर हीमोग्लोबिन चेक्ड एंड देन योर वेट, और वो तो आपको पता ही होगा ऑब्वियसली, एंड यू कैन इजीली गिव ब्लड.
अच्छा, और हमने कहा था कि एक प्रॉपर डाइट लेके आइए, मतलब आपके मील्स नॉर्मल होने चाहिए.
प्रॉपर डाइट चार्ट. All you can do is have meals at regular times and have plenty of fluids before donation. But please avoid taking fluids after donation. If you're thinking that half a liter is drawn from your body and you're taking 1 liter to replenish that, don't do this.
It doesn't work like that.
It doesn't work like that. It has to come to normal in its own way. It's the plasma replacement. It's not the water replacement.
Exactly. Blood जा रहा है, पानी नहीं जा रहा है, जिसको आप replace कर रहे हैं पानी से और fruit juices से और ये.
Exactly. And I would like to include one interesting point here is that whole blood donations like utilizing 650 calories. It's for her. It's for Samad.
हाँ, समझ जो कि full workout करते हैं.
It's like utilizing 650 calories. It's nothing bad in losing 650 calories.
नहीं बोलती तो शहान.
Rabia's found the secret to
अगर
it.
मैं anemic नहीं हूँ.
We have another very emotional message that just came in.
अच्छा, ये कौन कह रहे हैं? Anam and Sara here from PWA. I'm really proud to be a part of this association. It really feels good to serve someone who doesn't even have a rupee for their own health. We are the youth of this country who are trying to make a healthy Pakistan. We feel we serve.
That's our motto actually.
That's our motto. We
Awesome.
feel we serve.
अच्छा, मैं मिसबा आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाह रही थी. आज जो आप लोग यहाँ आए हैं, एक तो वर्ल्ड ब्लड डोनर्स डे है, लेकिन there is a thalassemia program that you guys are currently
running. We are running our thalassemia.
Okay, if I can just interrupt for half a second, guys. We will get into the thalassemia program in just a flash, but do remember we have the Azmi Ali Shah National Song Competition going on. Of course, 10 episodes to the final. It's a star-studded jury that includes the likes of Faisal Kapadia, Bilal Maqsood, and of course a special guest judge every week. You can watch the episodes.
You can see the episodes on Save TV every Saturday at 4:30 in the afternoon, यानी 4:30 बजे दोपहर के. TV1 पे 10:30 बजे और News 1 पे 11:05 रात के. आप Saturday को देख सकते हैं. 3 channels पे आता है यार.
And remember, the 19th of June will feature one of our favorite bands. That's Orj Band. As there's Og as well as Bushra. All 3 of them will be taking part on the 19th of June. So make sure that you watch that.
जी जनाब, और हम थैलेसीमिया की बात करते हैं एक गाने के बाद.
Yeah, we'll be right back after this.
मिस बात तैयार हो जाओ.
She was all ready to start.
तो क्या यार?
They painted up your secrets with the lies they told to you, and the least they ever gave you was the most you ever knew. And I wonder where these dreams go when the world gets in your way. What's the point in all this screaming? No one's listening anyway. Your voice is small and fading, and you're hiding here unknown. And your mother loves your father, 'cause she's got nowhere to go. And she wonders where these dreams go, 'cause the world got in her way. What's the point in never trying? Nothing's changing anyway. They press their lips against you, and you love the lies they say. And I tried so hard to reach you, but you're falling anyway. And you know I see right through you, 'cause the world gets in your way. What's the point in all this screaming? You're not listening anyway.
Goo Goo Dolls slowing down the pace just a bit here on the Morning Fix with their hit single Acoustic 3.
एंड राइट नाउ मिसबा फुल अपॉर्चुनिटी है, बात करें थैलेसीमिया के बारे में.
Starting with a brief intro of what thalassemia is for the understanding, it's blood disorder in which the normal blood cells do not make. So the only chance of survival for such thalassemic patients is regular blood transfusions along with certain medications. All right. So at Patients Welfare Association, we currently cater to 110 registered patients of thalassemia to whom we provide blood along with certain medications that they need for survival. Okay. Besides this, there are also 500 patients who come to civil every day for their blood needs, and we give blood to them as well.
And you're also the only
working blood bank in Civil Hospital Karachi. All right. So why we highlighting the importance of voluntary blood donation on this particular day is the fact that since they need blood twice a month, that is 24 times in a year, and all these families belong to low socioeconomic backgrounds, so they cannot bring up donors every time their child needs blood. So they come up to us and they look up to us that we'll be giving them blood, and we need blood donations to help them live.
And also जो लो सोशो इकोनॉमिक ग्रुप है उसमें वैसे ही मैल न्यूट्रिशन का
न्यूट्रिशन बहुत होती है, डिजीजेस का रेशियो बहुत हाई होता है, स्पेशली दी सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड डिजीज का रेशियो हाई होता है. सो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट वी गिविंग टू द थैलेसीमिक चाइल्ड इज हेल्दी, इज स्क्रीन फॉर डिजीजेस. वी नो दैट कुड actually give them a chance to live.
What's the overall percentage you'd say of people that come in to give blood just because that they feel that it's the right thing to do, as opposed to people who come in because they know someone who needs it?
As we told earlier, 90% of the people who come to donate blood only donate it if ever their friend or a relative is in need. There's a minor percentage of people who voluntary blood donate.
See, there is a difference between the quality of both the bloods. If the blood is collected from a person who is attending to the patient, and attendants are mostly coming from underprivileged areas, so definitely they are not having adequate medical facilities and healthy food. So the quality of their blood is very
also
much
not going to be
it's not going to be that much healthy if it is taken from an individual living in urban areas and having adequate medical facilities. So there is a difference, and so the chances of disease prevalence are many times decreased in case of voluntary blood donation.
सही. अच्छा, एक और बात मैं यहाँ वाज़ेह कर दूँ, जो PWA का ब्लड बैंक है, PWA is a non-political group. This is something that needs to be stated really clearly, because civil hospital लोग उम्मूमन वहाँ जाते समझते हैं वहाँ बहुत पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज एक्टिव हैं एक्टिव. लेकिन अगर आपको ब्लड का कोई मसला है, आपको ब्लड की ज़रूरत है या आप ब्लड डोनेट करना चाहते हैं, रेस्ट एश्योर्ड कोई पॉलिटिकल आपकी इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं होने वाला है.
बिल्कुल स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आपको तो बल्कि स्टूडेंट्स आपको किसी और जगह जाएंगे तो शायद आपको अंकल्स मिले हैं कोई, लेकिन यहाँ तो
ये क्या एडवांटेज है यार.
नहीं, इट्स वेरी गुड, इट्स अ वेरी हेल्दी एनवायरनमेंट. ऑब्वियसली जब हम आपकी एज के होते हैं और आप हमारे पास डोनेट करने आ रहे हैं, ब्लड डोनेट कर रहे हैं, तो एक आपको अच्छा सा लगता है कि भाई ये स्टूडेंट्स ही आपके साथ में, अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी तो आप हमें अपनी जो प्रॉब्लम है वो वैसे ही बता सकते हैं.
आप बेहतर तरीके से
बहुत सारे कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं, हमको एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. और जैसे भी बता रही थी कि वी डू काउंसिल आवर डोनर्स अबाउट द ब्लड डोनेशन, द प्रोसीजर ऑफ ब्लड डोनेशन, हाउ वी गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द ब्लड एंड व्हाट अमाउंट वी आर गोइंग टू टेक आउट फ्रॉम देयर बॉडी, दैट इज 450 ml, हाफ अ लीटर.
और अगर किसी अल्लाह ना करे कोई ब्लड डोनेशन के लिए आए और पता चला कि वो एनीमिक है या थैलेसीमिया माइनर है, तो नहीं ऑब्वियसली आप ब्लड तो लेते नहीं है, लेकिन आप फिर उनको बताते हैं कि उनकी क्या आप ऑल्टरनेटिव मेडिसिन उनको प्रोवाइड मतलब बता सकते हैं कि
even when we take blood for donation, it goes through a process, screening process. Okay? And if any disease is detected, we call the donor and we explain him that we took your blood, this disease was suspected, to better approach a doctor, go for treatment. So it goes on that.
So it's one of the benefits.
Free counseling bhi karte
exactly, it's one of the benefits that it helps you to detect the virus in early stages, even in an apparently healthy individual. So you come to know rather waiting for your symptomatic stage of the disease. It's better if you're going to donate a blood and you'll get to know that you are having some blood-borne disease.
अच्छा, और क्या benefits हैं? एक सेकंड, और क्या benefits हैं blood donation के?
There are many benefits.
छोटे जल्दी से
I will talk about iron overload later on, but the first and the best benefit I would say that it brings you peace, it brings you great pleasure, because it's a selfless service and it gives you really contentment and joy.
Like you're actually saving a life of a person, so what's more you want than that?
Absolutely. और अगर आपको ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, आप सिविल हॉस्पिटल जा सकते हैं, वहाँ PWA है, उनका ब्लड बैंक है, जाके ब्लड डोनेट
call us at 327-35214 if you want to have any more information or you want to know the process of getting registered as a voluntary blood donor, or you can always visit us at Civil Hospital at our office.
There you go, guys. It's as simple as that. Thank you so much for coming into our studios today.
Can we have an address?
Yes, of course. अच्छा, एड्रेस इनका ये है कि डाउ मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड सिविल हॉस्पिटल कराची. वैसे
डायरेक्ट लैंडलाइन नंबर 327-35214.
अच्छा, आप माइक पे बोल दें. अच्छा
You can call us on 327-35214. That is our direct landline number at our office. Or you can always visit us at our office at Civil Hospital Karachi. And even since you know the prices inflation, we are free of cost services providers at Civil Hospital Karachi. We don't charge. Website is www.pwa-chk.org. You can always email us at pwchk@cyber.net.pk. Okay. And the fact, another thing that needs to be highlighted is all the services we provide are absolutely free of cost. At no level there is any money exchange. So we do need funds as well for these sorts of activities, because our blood bed expenditure alone for the last years was 27.5 million. So that is too much. So even if you could be our donors along with blood donation, if you could support us with your funds and donations,
Any help is welcome, basically.
Any help
Yes.
is welcome.
Chale, theek hai. Thank you so much. It was lovely having you guys. It's time for us to also
Yep.
head out.
And take care, guys. Thank you so much for taking part in today's competitions. Of course, we have the winner of the